This is Zip. Better fix the... Come. This is his walking on a leash lessons. Puppy, come. Sit. Puppy, puppy. Stand. Sit. Wave. 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 Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Stand. This is Zip. I don't remember if I said. I spilled the water, puppy. Sit. Wave. Wave hello. Wave. Wave is something just cute I teach the puppies that can be switched to shake hands just easily enough. All you have to do is take a hold of the paw and say, shake hands. There we go. Good puppy. And then people can also change it to high five. Or have a variation on all three. Down. Down. Or low five. Sit. Down. Sit. Stand. Down. Sit. Wave. Down. Stand. Puppy, sit. Puppy, 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 come. Puppy, come. Go, puppy. Puppy, come. Good puppy. Good puppy. Come. Puppy, puppy, come. Good boy. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Puppy, come. Good boy. what? Puppy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Puppy, come. Come. Puppy, puppy, come. I'm teaching him to go to heel position rather than to come in front like this. It's easily changed if somebody wants to do obedience. Instead of saying come, you'll just say front to mean this. There we go. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Puppy, come. Good boy. That's it. Keeps them out from underfoot if they go to heel rather than in front of you. Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Is he a good boy or what? Yes, you are. Come. Puppy, come.